Hey, welcome to simplefinancesupport.com. In this session, I'm going to show a demo on the data structure in SAP. Let's log into SAP. I logged into SAP and I used transaction code ORKE in order to go to the structures. So here you can see pretty much COPA specific configuration here. So let me go to the structure here. So again, I'm going to work on this characteristics and value fields later, but let's go to operating concern. So I have taken the best practice operating concern A000. So here you can see, so at this point of time I enable only account based COPA just to show you how the account based COPA looks like. Once I enable the costing based COPA, and the structure will look differently. Okay, so here pretty much it is showing as green, which indicates that this particular operating concern is ready to be used, and click on display here. Of course, if you want to change, you click on the change itself. You see here the data structure, which is C1A00, and again, like change view means like you have all the field catalog which are available here. And then like environment, you can go here and look at the fixed fields, display fixed fields, and these fields are pretty much given by SAP. These are the fixed fields. 19 fields are given here, so the 19 fields are fixed fields. Once you create the operating concern, these fields are automatically available, so you don't require to add them separately. Of course, there are some technical fields and amount fields are there, so but key fields which are here, if you carefully observe, here the customer number, company code, plant, so these are the fields which are given by SAP. You don't require to add them into the operating concern. So a couple of fields are added here, for example, customer group, bill to party, ship to party here. And then if you click on this icon, small icon here, information, it will show that the technical limits. The technical limits you can see here, so there are about 60 characteristics are allowed, which means like you cannot have more than 60 apart from your given characteristics, which are like 19 characteristics. And again, if you see here, there is no tab for key fields, because since I enabled only account based, so there is no tab. Once I enable the costing based, the tab will come here for the key fields. So right now I'm not going to enable that, but I'm just trying to explain you how it is. And then if you go here, you have pretty much all the fields available, characteristics which are here, and you can select any characteristics if you are in the change mode, of course. So let me go back, make it in the change mode here. So the change mode is here, change button came up here, and then you can take the field, and you can take any field here which is not yet selected. You see there is subtle difference between the color, customer group, country is there, mental group, like the field color is there, so the different color is there. So you can select those fields which are readily available, for example metal group 1, and then you are moving here. So this metal group 1, like until you save this operating concern, this metal group 1 can be removed from here like this, but once you save this metal group, then automatically this field will become like little bit gray color, and it is not allowed to be moved out. For example, I cannot select customer group here to move out, whereas I can select easily metal group and move out here. Okay, so all the data that you are going to put the data into COPA is going to be in this particular structure, and if you double click on this structure, it is taking you to, you know, like a table, transparent table, if you see here. So this is the table which gets created with all the fields. For example, 67 fields are there here right now. Okay, but once you generate the add more fields, and you know, this automatically it will show up the add more fields here. And also let me go into like S4 HANA structure. Basically you can go here into SE16 and ACDOCA table. Okay, and here also you can see COPA fields which are added up. Let me go on the day further down here. Yeah, you see here COPA, product, material group, customer group, so and so. Fields are part of your ACDOCA structure, which means whenever you create any field in COPA, it will come up into your its ACDOCA table also. Okay, so this is the way you will work on your operating console. The transaction code, of course, you can see here. If you click on the attributes tab here, so you can see, like, you know, the USD, the operating concern currency used, company code currency, you know, enabled here. This is only applicable for your costing based COPA. So, and then if you click on that environment, you can see what is the status at the cross company portion and the client specific portion. Some of the configuration is a client specific, and some of the data structures are cross client object. So this is the way you can say. So in future sessions I'll show you like how to create a characteristics and add to the operating console, and you know, enable the operating console. Thanks for watching this video. Please do visit simplefinancesupport.com for your trading requirements. Thank you.